Welcome to Mighty Car Mods. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting compact SUVs of the year, the 2025 Mazda CX-30. Known for its perfect blend of style, performance, and practicality, this SUV has made a bold statement in the automotive world. The camera shifts to the CX-30 parked in a studio, showcasing its design from all angles. Let's talk about what makes this car stand out. The Mazda CX-30 redefines the compact SUV segment with its striking design and innovative features. Sleek curves, a bold front grille, and signature LED headlights give it a premium look that instantly catches your eye. The sculpted body lines not only add to its aesthetic but also improve aerodynamics, making it both beautiful and efficient. And those 19-inch alloy wheels, they perfectly complete the modern, sporty vibe. The shot transitions to the interior, focusing on the driver's seat, dashboard, and rear passenger space. Step inside, and you're greeted with an interior that screams luxury. High-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and an intuitive layout create a cabin that's not just functional but also inviting. The 12.3-inch infotainment display, equipped with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, is seamlessly integrated, while the heads-up display keeps your focus on the road. And with advanced soundproofing, the cabin feels like a sanctuary no matter where you're driving. The scene cuts to the engine bay and then the car driving through different terrains. Under the hood, the 2025 CX-30 offers two engine options: a 2.5-liter Skyactiv-G engine producing 191 horsepower and the powerful 2.5-liter turbocharged variant with an impressive 250 horsepower. Paired with Mazda's signature G-vectoring control plus an all-wheel drive, the CX-30 delivers exceptional handling and stability, whether you're navigating city streets or tackling rough terrains. And with a combined fuel efficiency of up to 28 miles per gallon, it's as practical as it is powerful. The camera shows the cargo area, followed by the CX-30 driving past a gas station. Practicality is another area where the CX-30 shines. With 20.2 cubic feet of cargo space and a flat loading floor, it's perfect for everything from grocery runs to weekend getaways. And let's not forget the advanced safety features, like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and Mazda's cutting-edge iActiveSense technology, which ensures you and your passengers are always safe. The screen displays a price tag overlay as the car is shown pulling into a sleek driveway. Now, let's talk numbers. The 2025 Mazda CX-30 starts at an affordable $26,500 for the base model, with the top-tier Turbo Premium Plus priced at $35,000. For what you get: premium design, advanced features, and Mazda's legendary driving dynamics, it's a steal. The camera pans out, showing the CX-30 parked against a sunset. So, what's the big selling point? The Mazda CX-30 isn't just an SUV, it's a complete package. It's for drivers who want a car that's practical enough for everyday life but exciting enough to make every drive memorable. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or exploring off the beaten path, this SUV has got you covered. The screen fades to black with the Mighty Car Mods logo and tagline. Thanks for tuning into Mighty Car Mods. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments, what's your favorite feature of the 2025 Mazda CX-30?